Hello there, and welcome to Chris on Motorcycles in Doncaster, and welcome to the channel. Before we get stuck into this beautiful Triumph, I'd like you to smash the like button and subscribe because it's free and I do appreciate it, and that's how you keep up to date with all our choice stock we've got coming in on a daily basis here at Chris on Motorcycles. So look at this. I mean, where do we start? 1938 Triumph Tiger 80 350, work of art, beautiful, enough said, as they say. I'm not going to do a start-up on it, just the fact it's drained and it's been a part of a collection, so obviously it does start and run. We have had it running and it runs beautiful, and it's just a work of art, it really is. Just love all this pre-war stuff. So like I say, this is 1938. Just think about that for a second. 1938. Just before we get going on the other side, with the bike I've got operation and care manual, and I've got a parts list manual as well. Obviously these are just off the internet, printed out, but worth having, parts, etc. So they're nice little bit of a provenance with the vehicle. But yeah, what a nice looking 350. I love it. I think it's, we don't get a lot of pre-war bikes in. Got a couple at the moment, but this one is lovely, absolutely lovely. So there's a Tiger 80 350. And it's so nice. I just love all the details. The tank, the top of the tank with the gauges on there, the steering damper on the top. Yeah, beautiful. Very, very nice. So obviously it doesn't need an MOT, it doesn't need tax, it predates all that kind of stuff. So we'll obviously get the bike up and running properly with all its fluids, and we can potentially offer finance on it, and we can definitely offer delivery on it, nationwide or international, for any of you international collectors that I've dealt with in the past. Not a problem at all. You know the score, give us a call. So if you've got any questions on this particular vehicle, you can give us a call on 01302 760 967, or you can email me, chrisallmotorcycles@googlemail.com. Alternatively, if you want to come down and look at this bike in person, you're more than welcome. Always give me a call if you're coming to look at this specifically, just to make sure the bike is still in stock and available. Far too many people come in and they haven't rang ahead and the bike's just been sold. You won't believe how often it happens, folks. You can also check out this bike on our website, which is just chrisallmotorcycles.co.uk, and there's some static photos on there as well. But yeah, that's a lovely, clean 1938 Triumph, work of art. If my office was big enough and I didn't have the dogs in there, I think I'd put that in my office. So anyway, I'm going to stop waffling, and if you've got any questions, like I say, give us a call. You know how to get in touch with me, 01302 760 967, and I'll try and help you out best I can. So stay safe out there, folks, and yeah, skies are blue, definitely today. It's red hot here in England, and yeah, keep it real. Cheers.